Hello friends, today I will be hosting on GitHub Pages this new year countdown application that we built in Flutter and Dart in a previous video. If you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out in our channel. Let's dive in. I will start by making the application web ready using the command flutter build web. But before that, I will use the command flutter clean to just remove any previous builds that we have done. So we are building our application using Flutter Build Web so that it is ready for web hosting. So our application is now built, and if you will check your file folder, there is this new build folder, and inside it we have a web, and these are basically the assets and the code files for our web page. So now that the application is built, the next step is to go to your GitHub and create a new repository. Note that the name of your repository must end in github.io. This repository will host all the files in build/web folder. In this step, we will initialize a GitHub repository and we will push all the files inside this folder to our remote repository that we have just created, and then we will be able to access our web page. So I will just run the commands one after the other until the web page is accessible. So I am done pushing all the files under the build uh, web folder, and if you check it out here, if I refresh the page, you will see we have all these files. If we now search on Google the name of the repository we've just created, we will see our web page pop up. Nice. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.